Did it tip?
Who's Kameki is that?
That's Rosa. Oh no, Anina's older sister.
Oh, for real? Moonshine.
Pull his hair. Right there, Travis.
Travis, why you always trying to punk him?
Yeah.
What's the other dude's name? Every day, every time you bring him to Sunnydale, you always want to punk him.
There you go, there you go. What's Travis house? Bring that shit to Travis. Drop it, Travis. What's your head?
Trav.
Let him up.
Nigga, why you always trying to punk him?
I didn't even want to fight, that's why.
That's why you wanted him to say
Travis
you
and
punk
Melissa.
him. Hell no. I'll toss it down.
Travis and Melissa.
Trav, call Melissa out.
Call him out, call him out.
What is it?
Melissa right here.
I love
She
you.
right here, right here.